What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Stan of SJ Square Photography, bringing you back another video today. I have with me today
Ariel Ferrari.
She is here going to help us out with this video. Of course, as you see, I'm in my favorite freaking alley in Lexington, Kentucky. I love shooting in this alley. Got tons of video with us up today. Today is going to be a really just quick little shoot going on here. We're going to do the alleyway. She got another little outfit she may switch into. You guys think you want to say? If you want to work with her and reach out to her, all that stuff is going to be down in the description box below. Of course, it would have popped on the screen by now. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
All right, she says she's ready. You sure?
Let's go.
Baby. All right, let's go. Let's get it. Test shot. 1, 2, 3. She said, boost me up. Looking pretty good. Liking it. All right, here we go. Are you ready,
I'm ready
for the heat? Real comfortable. Take your thumbs out. There you go. Yeah. That's very Eastern. 1, 2, and 3. I like the wind blowing. That's really working. See, I'm gonna block that car behind you. I don't want too much like that, yeah. See, look at that, come on. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, hold that. Look right past me, just like that, yeah, look down, straight down that path. Yeah, just like that. 1, 2, 3. Now bring your eyes to me, just your eyes. Come on now. One, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah, see that drink coming through now. I gotta tell you shit. Yeah, I gotta tell you shit now. Let's get you back on there anyway, because I'm gonna go horizontal. Same thing. I'm just gonna hit you with a couple of these horizontals real quick. 1, 2, and 3. I'm gonna put a little bit more of this right here. Yeah, like that. And look at, yep. 1, 2, 3. Love it. Let's get you back on her since I changed lenses. I think it'll look a lot better. We get this, get you back on that wall like it was just doing before him. Yeah. Just like that, yep. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Nice. 1, 2, and keep looking down just like you was. Like it. Stay there again. I'm gonna get a little lower. 1, 2. Shit! Too much shit in my way. All right. 1, 2, 3. Stay there. 1, 2, and 3. Gotta hit it with different angles, you know what I'm saying? 1, 2, and 3. All right, take a chill. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Love it. Now we are done with the end of the video. Really hope you enjoyed the work that we put in for you. How did you enjoy it?
It was awesome. Good job. Good job.
Now, of course, once again, this was a very quick little video, bro. I hope you really enjoy it. Just put the work in. She did 2 different outfits. Of course, I shot nothing with the Nikon Z7, the 105 and the 45. And if you want to work with all stuff, it's going to be down in the description box below. Of course, it would have popped on the screen. Bye. Now, do you want to say anything? Can you say something to the people out here?
Hit my boy up.
What the hell? All right, guys. Until the next till the next video. Peace. 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 Peace.
do this.
Let me see it. Okay, so it's a microphone. You may want to hold it like this so you don't have to cover the speaker.
I got you. I know, you got your work cut out, buddy.
Oh,
So-
goodness gracious.